Take a moment and look at your window blinds. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you cleaned them? Last week? Last month? Maybe never? They might look clean, but deep inside the wood slats is hidden something you never noticed. What if I told you that those elegant wooden blinds might be circulating dust, allergens, and bacteria every single day, right where you live, sleep, and breathe? And before we dive into this eye-opening truth, don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because we talk about the things that look small but matter the most. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. A blind spot in our cleaning routine. When we think of home cleaning, we think of mopping the floors, scrubbing the bathroom, wiping the kitchen shelves, maybe even dusting the fan blades. But there's one spot that almost every single person forgets: wooden window blinds. They're stylish, they add texture and elegance to a room, but they also do something else quietly. They collect. Over time, those slats trap layers of invisible dust, grease from nearby cooking, moisture from humidity, and sometimes even mold spores. We don't notice it at first. Because wooden blinds, by design, hide things well. That's the problem. We don't clean what we don't see. Let me tell you a story that hit hard. There was a young couple in Mumbai who had just renovated their apartment. They installed beautiful teak wood blinds in their bedroom. Minimalist, premium, elegant. Life was great, until it wasn't. A few months later, the husband began waking up with constant sneezing fits. The wife, who never had breathing problems before, began feeling breathless in the mornings. They changed pillows. They got air purifiers. But nothing worked. One day, during a deep cleaning session, they opened up the blinds fully for the first time in weeks. What they saw shocked them. A thick layer of blackish-gray dust had coated every slat. And that wasn't just dust. It was a mixture of allergens, pet dander, dead skin cells, and grease. Inhaling it slowly, night after night, without even knowing. That day, they realized, sometimes the most beautiful things in your house can be the most dangerous if ignored. Unlike curtains, you can't just throw wooden blinds in a washing machine. And unlike plastic blinds, you can't scrub them harshly. They'll scratch, fade, or warp. Wood is delicate. It absorbs moisture easily. It's reactive to chemicals, and each slat has two surfaces. Multiply that by 30 or 40 slats, and suddenly, cleaning them feels like a nightmare. But it doesn't have to be. The secret lies in method, not muscle. Step by step, how to clean wooden blinds safely. Step 1. Close and dust. Start by closing the blinds fully so the slats lie flat. Using a microfiber cloth or a soft duster, wipe them horizontally, never vertically, from one side to the other. This removes surface-level dust without pushing it deeper. Don't use feather dusters. They only spread particles into the air. And don't use a vacuum directly. It may scratch the surface unless it has a brush attachment. Step 2. Flip and repeat. After cleaning one side, tilt the slats in the opposite direction to reveal the backside. Repeat the dusting gently. You'll be surprised how much more dirt comes off the second round. Many people stop after just one side. Don't make that mistake. Step 3. Spot clean grease or stains. This step is crucial if your blinds are near a kitchen, dining area, or if they face the street. Take a clean damp cloth and dip it in a mild solution. Warm water mixed with a drop of dish soap. Wring it out completely. The cloth should be damp, not wet. Gently wipe the stained area. Follow up immediately with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any moisture. Never let water sit on wood. It leads to warping, cracking, or even fungus. Step 4. Condition the wood, optional but powerful. Just like we moisturize our skin, wood needs nourishment too. Once or twice a year, apply a tiny amount of wood polish or conditioner using a soft cloth. It restores shine, protects the grain, and prevents drying or fading due to sunlight. And if this video opened your eyes to something new, then do this. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, because every week, we uncover hidden truths about everyday things that shape our lives more than we realize. And click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, You will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Until next time, breathe.